In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot list. Lists, also called segments in HubSpot, help you group records so you can target communications, streamline workflows, and keep your database organized. We'll walk through creating one from start to finish, and I'll share tips along the way so your segment stays clear and useful to everyone on your team. Start in your HubSpot account and open the CRM section from the main navigation. From there, go to Segments. This is where all your existing segments live and where you'll create new ones. Click Create Segment to begin. First, choose what kind of records you want this list to include. You can build a segment of contacts, companies, or deals. Pick the object that matches your goal. For example, choose contacts for email targeting, companies for account level reporting, or deals for pipeline-focused views. After you've selected the right object type, click Next. Give your segment a clear, descriptive name. A good name makes it easy to recognize why the segment exists without opening it. Consider including the audience, purpose, and time frame. Something like leads, first conversion in Q1. Consistent naming helps a lot as your library grows. Now, click Add Filter to define who belongs in this segment. In the property panel, open the first conversion category. Select the first conversion property if you want to include people based on the first form or page that originally captured them. Then, select first conversion date to narrow your segment by when that first interaction happened. This is especially helpful for time-bound campaigns. You can set date criteria like is on a specific date or is between two dates. As you choose filters, keep the logic simple and purposeful so the segment stays accurate and easy to maintain. When your filters look right, click Next. You'll move to a details screen where you can add a description. Use this space to document the intent of the segment and summarize the filters you applied. Clear documentation saves time later, especially for teammates who may reuse or update the segment. Finally, click Save and Process Segment. HubSpot will build the list based on your criteria. Processing time can vary depending on the size of your database and the complexity of your filters. Once it's ready, your segment is available to use across HubSpot tools wherever lists or segments are supported. That's it. Your HubSpot list is created. With consistent naming, thoughtful filters, and a solid description, you'll have a reliable segment that stays valuable over time.